Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner keeps filling with water again and again, it can get frustrating because the unit stops working frequently and needs constant draining. You might notice it shuts off, shows a warning, or just stops cooling until the water is emptied. This usually happens because the unit is collecting moisture faster than it can drain, especially in humid conditions or when airflow isn't ideal. It doesn't mean the AC is faulty in most cases. It's related to drainage setup, positioning, or internal blockage. Once you fix the root cause, the unit can run continuously without needing frequent draining. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop your Black& Decker portable AC from filling with water repeatedly. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and drain all collected water completely. Step 2. Place the AC on a level surface to prevent water buildup. Step 3. Check and open the continuous drain outlet if available. Step 4. Inspect and clean the drain port to remove any blockage. Step 5. Ensure proper airflow and ventilation around the unit. Step 6. Restart the AC and confirm it runs without frequent water filling.